Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious ice cream easily at home. You don't need fancy equipment to create a delightful frozen treat. We'll cover both churned and no-churn methods, ensuring everyone can enjoy homemade goodness. Get ready to impress your friends and family with your culinary skills, making a batch of creamy, personalized ice cream in just a few simple steps. It's a fun and rewarding process. Once your base is thoroughly chilled, you have two main options. If you own an ice cream maker, simply follow its instructions for churning, which usually takes about 20 to 30 minutes. This method incorporates air, resulting in a wonderfully smooth consistency. For a no-churn approach, pour the mixture into a shallow pan and freeze it, stirring every 30 minutes for the first 3 hours to prevent large ice crystals from forming. Both methods produce fantastic results. Now for the fun part, customizing your ice cream. The possibilities are truly endless. For a classic vanilla, add 1 to 2 teaspoons of pure vanilla extract. You can mix in 1 cup of your favorite additions like chocolate chips, chopped nuts, or fresh berries during the last few minutes of churning, or after the first hour of no-churn freezing. Swirl in 1/2 cup of rich caramel or fudge sauce for an extra decadent treat. Let your creativity shine. After all your hard work, it's time for the final freeze. Place your ice cream in the freezer for at least 4 hours, or preferably overnight, until it reaches a firm, scoopable consistency. Before serving, let it sit at room temperature for about 10 minutes to soften slightly, making it easier to scoop and enhancing its creamy texture. Store any leftovers in an airtight container to prevent freezer burn, and enjoy your delicious homemade creation for up to 2 weeks. Bon appétit!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.